Hi, Tom here with this week's Circle Line Art School video, showing you one way to draw a Viking longship. In this pencil drawing for beginners, the first step is to sketch an oval as a guide for the basic shape of the longship. Next, draw a smaller oval in the first oval, towards the left, and then draw another oval, even smaller, in the centre. Next, from the bow on the right, draw a dragon head, just as a guideline sketch, using soft lines that can be raised or improved on later on. At this stage, all the lines are curved and free-flowing. And then, at the stern of the longship, draw the stern post. Now we have the basic shapes for the longship. Check your lines for their smoothness. Once you're ready, next draw the first shield on the side of the longship, taller than it is wide, as it is a circle seen from an angle, and then draw a series of shields behind the first one, which are overlapping. You could add a central small circle to each of the shields too. The next step is to add some details to the bow of the longship, just in a sketch-like way. Now you could add a face to the dragon head at the bow, when you're ready, draw the central mast for the Viking longship. And then draw the yard that crosses the top of the mast and holds up the sail. Next, using curved lines, draw a large sail that is catching the wind. Once you have these basic shapes in place, it's a good idea to check your drawing. Next, you could indicate the sea at the base of the Viking longship, just with a few sketchy lines. At this stage, it's time to clean up your drawing with an eraser, erasing any of the guidelines that you no longer need. And then check all the lines so that they are working together to create the image of the Viking longship. And then you could add some details to your drawing, and then later some shading. To learn more about Circle Line Art School and my online drawing courses for beginners, please visit circlelineartschool.com. If you'd like to keep up to date with my YouTube drawing tutorials, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Circle Line Art School. Thank you for watching. Next up, see the drawing develop with some careful pencil shading. To learn more about Circle Line Art School and my online drawing courses for beginners, please visit circlelineartschool.com. If you'd like to keep up to date with my YouTube drawing tutorials, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Circle Line Art School.